Good evening. Good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, children, now we are
Good evening,
going
ma'am.
to do. So, did you get the answer of that question which I have given you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what was the answer? It was 120, right? 120. It was 120. One angle was 120, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get the other angles?
Yes, ma'am.
How much it is? Nobody did it?
Ma'am, angle 160.
60, 120, 60, 120, like that you will get the angle both. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear? Okay, children. Now we will move to the NCERT solutions. Okay? Okay, children, wait. Let me take the board. One minute. One minute. Okay. So, right, it is NCERT solutions. NCERT solutions means in the question textbook, it is like question number 1, 2, like that we are doing. Okay. So,
We need to take another paper.
no, as a continuation, you write. Okay, so children, the question is in figure, lines AB and CD, AB and CD intersect at O. Intersect at O. Okay. Intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. Write the question and after that I will draw the figure. After writing this, I have to scroll the board up. So write this. After finishing, you tell me. Okay, children? Okay, I'll draw the figure now. Start writing, start drawing. Okay, children. Did you finish writing? Okay. Will you read the question? What is the question? Will you read it? Estelle, will you read the question? What is given in the question? First sentence.
Ma'am, in figure line A,
A,
B,
B and
and
C, D
CD intersect
at
at O.
O.
If
Okay,
angle
okay. Wait. Lines A, B and C, D are intersect at O. So you know that there are two lines, A, B and C, D. Did you see both the lines, A, B and C, D?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, only Srihari is telling the answer. Did you see both the lines, A, B and C, D?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next sentence. AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Angle AOC. This angle AOC. Okay, children? AOC and BOE. This angle. When you add those two angles, it is 70 degree. Okay? When you add those two angles, it is 70 degree. When you add this and this, 70 degree. Okay. Now watch carefully those angles. It is, when you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree. Now children, it is not given separately, but you know that the sum is 70 degree. Okay. Now can you see this? When you see both all these angles, what is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer should be 180.
See children, it is given that AB and CD are two lines. Clear? AB and CD are two lines. That is, AB is a line. Means this angle which I marked now, how much? How much?
I'm
All of
total
you?
180.
Yes, it is 180. I want to know if all of you got the same answer. Is it 180? Is it 180, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ashik Joshi. Is it 180?
Yes.
Only Ashik is telling. Is it 180? How did you get it is 180? Because AB is a straight line, it is given. So when you add all these angles, you will get 180. Now, can you find this angle now? See children, can you find this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you find? All of you think.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
angle you have to find.
110.
How did you get?
180 minus 70.
How did you get 70? Huh? Ashik Joshi. Look
Yes,
at
ma'am.
here. Look at here, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, adjacent angles.
Okay, I understood. It is 70 itself. Sorry, 110 itself. See children? See, this full is 180 degree, correct? All of you listen to it. This green color angle which I marked is 180 degree because it is linear pair, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Are
ma'am.
you listening? It is linear pair. And you know that when you add these pink color angles, that means this angle both. It is 70 degree, correct? Sum is 70
ma'am.
degree.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 70 plus this middle angle, when you add, you will get 180 degree. That is angle COE, angle COE plus 70 degree is 180 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is angle COE?
180 minus
180
70.
180
minus
minus
70. It
70.
is 110. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And what is we have to find out? We have to find the reflex angle of it. It is not COE we have to find the reflex angle. How to find the reflex angle? Wow, how will you find the reflex angle? Do you know how to find the reflex angle?
No, ma'am.
I will show you. See children, reflex angle means if this angle is 30 degree, reflex means the other part of it. Total how much? A circle.
360.
A circle when you add, when the degree measure of a circle is 360, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now how will you find the reflex? See,
360 minus.
here, the reflex angle is 30 degree. The other part of it, the other part of 30 degree, how will you find?
360 minus
Yeah,
30.
you have to subtract it from 360 degree. Did you understand, children? Clear? How will you find a reflex angle?
It's just the rest part.
Rest part of the acute
360.
angle. Rest part of 360, right? So you have to subtract that angle from 360. You will get a reflex angle. Clear? So what is the reflex angle of 30 degree? What is the reflex angle of 30 degree?
330.
What is the reflex angle of 60?
300.
300. What is the reflex angle of 100?
200.
260.
60. Good. So you have to find the reflex angle of this. So that is our question. So reflex angle of angle COE. How will you find? You have to subtract 360 minus 110. Clear? So what is the answer?
250.
250 is the answer. Again, one more question is there. What is the question?
Find BOE. Angle BOE.
Find BOE. Where is BOE? This one. Clear? How will you find that? How will you find,
180 minus.
how will you find that? Think.
180 minus 150.
180 minus
150.
From where you go to that 150?
Ma'am, 110 from COE and 40 degree from BOD.
Yes. Okay. See children, it is given that this angle is 40 degree. Clear? Okay children? This
Yes, ma'am.
angle is 40 degree. Now this angle, this CD is a line. CD is a straight line. Clear? CD is a straight line. So what about this? So this is an, when CD is a straight line, this is also 180 degree, a linear pair, right? Okay. So this is 40 degree and this is 110 degree. So remaining will be angle BOD. Okay, children. So we will write that also. I hope you understood. Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand? Okay, I'll write it. See, children, angle BOD. I'll write. CD is a line. CD is a line. So angle angle BOD, BOD, okay, plus angle BOE, okay, plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Clear? Then BOD is 40 degree and BOE you have to find out, and COE we have found that it is 110. So angle BOE 150 plus angle BOE equal to 180, and angle BOE equal to 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. Okay, write this.
Ma'am, can you move the board?
Upwards. Finish writing. Shall I give the second question?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, children, shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the second question. Write the second question. Okay. In figure, lines, XY and MN, XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2:3. Find C. Okay, children. Okay, children, let me see, show the answers. See, children, what is given here? The in figure lines x, y, and mn. Did you see the lines both x, y, and mn? X, y, and mn. Did you see both the straight lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it is given that angle POY. How much? Angle POY? 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay. Now, did you see this shape?
Yes,
XY.
ma'am.
How much it is?
180.
180 degree because XY is a straight line. Okay, children. XY is a straight line. XY is a line. You can write now because it is going to be the time. So XY is a line, right? Okay, children. That means when you add this A plus B plus this side is 90 degree. When you add all A and B and 90 degree, you will get 180 degree, right? Because it is a linear pair. Clear? Then what will be A plus B? When you add A and B, how much you will get? If this is 90 degree, what about this other side?
30 and 30. Hello.
Other side, see, the other side. If this is 90
90.
degree, what about the other side?
I'm 90.
Other side
90.
also 90 degrees. So when you add A and B, you will get 90 degree itself. Okay, children. But here, A is to B is 2 is to 3. It is not given properly. Only the ratio is given. Clear? So when you get a ratio, it is given that A is to B is 2 is to 3. Okay, children? A is to B is 2 is to 3. I have already told you if a ratio is given, you can write A as 2x. Clear, children? Take A as 2x and B as, do you know this?
3x.
And it is given that when you add A plus B, you will get 90 degree. So 2x plus 3x, when you add, you will get 90 degree. What is 2x plus 3x?
5x.
5x. 5x equal to 90 degree. Okay, children. Then x will be 90 by 5. Okay. X is 90 by 5. That is 18 degree. Again, you can write now. Okay, write with me. Again, children, it is only x given. We have to find A and B. Okay. Now, A means 2x. That is 2 into 18. X is 18. So, 36. And B equal to 3x. So, 3 into 18. Okay, children? It is 54. But we have to find C. How will you find C? How will you find C? See,
Linear.
children,
Linear pair.
this Mn is a line. Okay, children, I write this side. Since Mn is a line, straight line, Mn is a straight line. Mn is a straight line. Okay. Mn is a straight line. B plus C equal to 180 degree. Okay. So 54 plus C equal to 180 degree. C equal to 180 minus 54 equal to 126. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Finish it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. You want to see the board again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Okay, children, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow also, I think it is math classes day. Okay, children. Okay. So,
Thank
do
you,
well
ma'am.
for your
Thank you, ma'am.
demonstration classes. Okay. Shrihari and Sania,
Yes, ma'am.
best of luck. Okay,
Thank
children,
you.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.